These directions will take you step by step through the assignment for online session 8. You can find the graphic organizer in the learning module for online session 7. It outlines the content of the papers you will be assessing for online session 8. If you have forgotten how to access the learning module, please review the process spelled out in detail in the online session 1 instructional video. Click on the learning modules for the course website. To be more fair, I'm having 2 people besides myself evaluate each final paper with peer reviews. For this assignment, you will see a name in each column. I have used letters here as an illustration. For this illustration, we will use Student A. Student A appears as the first reviewer for Student L and the second reviewer for Student K. Student A's paper will be evaluated by Students L and B on the line next to Student A's name. The first part of Step 8 determines whether or not the student whose paper you are assessing has done the right assignment. Since K has no teaching experience, the student should do the interview as indicated in the syllabus, while L, who has been teaching a year, will do an analysis of his or her growth in the profession. The maximum score on content is 15, with 5 each for organization, language, and conventions. Put your scores in the evaluation column and total them up for a maximum of 30. You will be entering a score from 1 through 30 on the Excel sheet. In this Excel chart, each student has a class number. 100 corresponds to Student A, our example. As the first reviewer for Student L, A enters a grade from 1 through 30 in the Reviewer 1 cell highlighted in red on the line with Student A's class number. Then Student A grades Student K's paper on the same line with the class number under the column headed Reviewer 2 in the cell highlighted in red. Once you have entered both scores in the Excel sheet on the line next to your class number, post the sheet in the assignment area for session 8. No one else will see your peer grades, but if they differ from mine by more than 10%, they will be considered invalid.